Standard 9, Subject Maths, Chapter number 2, Polynomials, Part 3. We have seen in a previous video how to classify the polynomials. First we have seen by its term and by its degree. Now we move on towards how to find the zeros of the polynomial. So zeros of the polynomial. Okay, let's take one example and then understand what is the zeros of the polynomial. So, question: consider one polynomial p of x equals to 5x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Now, just put x equals to 7. What I am doing is I am putting x equals to 1. It means I am replacing my x with 1. So what over here is p of 1. So 1 minus 1 plus 3 into 1 minus 2, where the power is 3 and so the 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. Okay. So 8 minus 4, 4. Okay. So when I put x equals to 1, when I replace my x with 1, I am getting the value of this polynomial is 4. I am getting the value of this polynomial is 4. Try to put x equals to some another number. Let's say 0. I am taking x equals to 0. So put x equals to 0. So I am getting 5, 0, 0 plus 3x minus 2. So I am getting value equals to 0. So when I replace my x with 0, I am getting the value of this polynomial is minus 2. I am getting the value minus 2. Now, can we find p of minus 1? Can we find p of minus 1? We have nothing to do. Just replace this x with minus 1. So p of minus 1 equals to 5 minus 1 cube 2x 2 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 1 minus 2. So the 5 equals to minus 5 because the power is my odd number. Over here is plus, then 2 minus 3 minus 2. So what I am getting over here is 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus. So here is 7, 7, 10 and 12. Minus 12 I am getting minus 12. So for when I put x equals to minus 1, I am getting the value of this polynomial is 12. Getting the value of this polynomial 12. Now, questions. Find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial. The question says p of x equals to 5x squared minus 3x plus 7 at x equals to 1. Here at equals to 1. It means we have to find the value of x at x equals to 1. We have to find the value of p of x, not x. P of x. So the replace this x with 1. So p of 1 is equals to 5 1 square minus 3 1 plus 7 we have already done now. So the 5 minus 3 plus 7, 5 minus 3 plus 7, I am getting 2 plus 7 equals to 9. The value of this polynomial is 9. So the value of this polynomial, here we can write the value of the p of x at x equals to 1 is 9. I am getting the value 9. Okay. Similarly, the rest of the questions were given on a page number 32. You can try to solve and find the value of that polynomial, okay, without seeing the solution. Okay. Now move towards the next one. Okay. So the next one, take one example. Say p of t equals to 4t plus 5t cube minus t square plus 6 plus 6. Okay. So here my polynomial, the variable of the polynomial are at form t. So here it's like that only. So you have to just replace t equals to a. T equals to a. It means when you replace this t equals to a, it's nothing but you have to write this equation in a form only. You have to write the equation in the a form only. Okay. Now consider one example. Let I am taking one p of x equals to x minus 1. Okay, this is my polynomial equation. Okay, now put x equals to minus 1. Put x equals to minus 1. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, I am getting minus 2. So the value of p of x at x equals to minus 1 is 2. Now put x equals to 0. X equals to 0. So p of 0 equals to 0 minus 1 equals to minus 1. So the value of the value of this polynomial at x equals to 0 is minus 1. Okay, when you put this value, put this number over here, I am getting the value minus 1. What if you put x equals to 1, x equals to 1, so p of 1 equals to 1 minus 1 equals to 0. I am getting the value over here is 0. So this is the nothing but my 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial is nothing but when you put some value to the polynomial and the resultant value I'll get equals to 0, it means this x equals to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x equals to x minus 1. So therefore 0 of the polynomial p of x minus 1 is 1. Okay. See, whatever the value I am taking x equals now, that is the 0 of that polynomial, because I am equals to x minus 1. X minus 1. Okay. If I put 1 to the x, I'm getting 0. It means 1 is the factor of this one. 1 is the factor of this one. 1 is the factor of this one. So, this way we can say. Now, see take one more example, so we'll get the better idea what are the zeros of the polynomial. So, for example, say x square minus 2x plus 1. Look at over here, x square minus 2x plus 1. It's my quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial, because the degree is 2. Degree is 2. Okay, how to find the zeros of this polynomial? How to find the zeros of this polynomial? Look, just try using the trial and error method. Trial and error method. It means take trial and error method. It means if you put the different values to the variable, if I am putting 1 over here, if I put x equals to 1, then p of 1 what will I get? P of 1 what will I get? 1. If I put x equals to 2, so what will I get over here? 2. So here I am getting 4 minus 4 plus 1. So I am getting the plus 1 only. What if I put x equals to minus 1? X equals to minus 1. So p of minus 1. So here is plus 1, plus 2 and plus 1. So I am getting over here is 4. Is you can see x equals to 1. Now put a different values to the x and check whether we are getting the equals to 0 or not. So I am checking the different values for x. Take x equals to say minus 1. I am taking x equals to minus 1. So p of minus 1 is it's nothing but this one is my plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. I am getting the answer 4. If you take x equals to 0, the p of 0, so I am getting plus 1. Take x equals to plus 1. So p of plus 1. So 1 minus 2 plus 1. I am getting 0. That means x equals to 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. X equals to 1 is the 0 of polynomial. How will you get this one? Because what I did is x equals to 1 I take and replace 1 with this one and check whether I am getting the resultant value 0 or not. If I am getting the 0 over here, we can say that this x equals to 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. So the rest of are not 0 of the polynomial because here we did not get 0. Okay. So x equals to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. Is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So x equals to 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. This way we can say that this way we can find the zeros of the polynomial. Okay. Now move towards to the exercise. Now move towards to some extra questions. Now questions. Check whether -2 and 2 are zeros of polynomial x plus 2. Okay, we have to check -2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial 2x and x plus 2 or not. See, check. We have to check. It means when we put x equals to -2 or 2, my resultant value is equals to 0. If I am not getting equals to 0, it means these two are not zeros of that polynomial. So, solution. Now, p of x equals to x plus 2. Now put, see, checking. So put x equals to -2. So p of -2 equals to -2 plus 2. Okay, I am getting 0. I am getting 0 over here. It means x equals to -2 is 0 of this polynomial. Therefore -2 is the 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Okay, now take x equals to 2. So p of 2 equals to 2 plus 2 equals to 4. It's not equals to 0. So 2 is not 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Now find the zeros of the polynomial. Find the zeros of the polynomial px equals to 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. See, we cannot do trial and error method. Okay, so if we want to find the zeros of some polynomial, what we can do over here is, it means my resultant value should be equals to 0. So therefore I can write the p of x equals to 0. Okay, that is the things the zeros of the polynomial ones. It means when you replace this x with some numbers, the resultant value is equals to 0. It means my p of x becomes 0. So we can write p of x equals to 0. What is the p of x over here is 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So take 2x and x to that side, so -1. So x equals to -1 upon 2. -1 upon 2. See, now check this x equals to -1/2. Over here you will get the resultant value 0 always. So now put x equals to -1/2 in p of x. So my p of -1/2 is equals to 2 -1/2 plus 1. 2 gets cancelled. I am getting 0. So we can say that we have seen that whenever we get 0, so that x equals to whatever the value is, that is the 0 of that polynomial. So therefore x equals to, therefore -1/2 is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Now the next question. The next one, next question says verify whether 2 and 0 are zeros of polynomial x squared minus 2x. We have to check whether this 2 and 0 are the zeros of this polynomial. Simply we just replace x with 2 and 0. Now take 2 over here. So I'm getting 4 minus 4. Yes, I'm getting 0. Now equals to 0. 0. I'm getting 0. It means 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Both are my zeros of the poly. 2.2. Question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial. We have to find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Okay. So I'm doing it for 1. You have to solve the rest of one. I'm taking x equals to second one, x equals to minus 1. We have to find the value. Okay. So put x equals to minus 1. So p of minus 1 equals to 5 minus 1, 4 minus 1 to the whole square plus 3. So minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. So 9 minus 9 plus 3. I'm getting minus 6. Okay. This way we can find. You just have to replace the x with the given values. Now the question number 2. Question number 2 says find a p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for each of the following polynomials. Okay. Now my polynomial is given. My first polynomial is given. P of y equals to y square minus y plus 1. I have to find for p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. Okay. Now put y equals to 0. So I'm getting 0 plus 1. I'm getting 1. Now put 1 minus 1 plus 1. Again I'm getting 1. Now put 2. So 4 minus 2 plus 1. So the 2 plus 1 which is 3. Okay. So question number 2, you have to find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the following expressions were given over here. Okay. Now question number 3. The question number 3 says verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicates again them. Okay. We have to verify whether this one are the zeros of the polynomial or not. See, to verify zeros of the polynomial is nothing but we just directly put whatever the x equals to given and check whether p of x is equals to 0 or not. So my p of x 3x plus 1, x equals to minus 1, 3. Okay, we have to check this one is the zeros of the polynomial or not. So the p of 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 gets cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1. Yes. So you can say I'm getting the values at 0 over here. Yes. X equals to minus 1 upon 3 is 0 of the polynomial p of x equals to, you have tried 3x plus 1. Okay, so the question number 3 you have to solve the rest of the questions. Okay. Now move towards the question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 says, find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Okay. In each of the following cases, we have to find zeros of the polynomial. So, I'm going to do 2 questions. First one is, let's say, first one, p of x equals to x plus 5. Okay. So the finding of zeros of the polynomial is nothing but if my p of x equals to 0. Okay. So therefore now p of x equals to 0. So x plus 5 equals to 0. So the x equals to minus 5. X equals to minus 5. Now put x equals to minus 5 in p of x equals to x plus 5. So the p of minus 5 equals to minus 5 plus 5. I am getting 0 over here. So 0 of the polynomial 5 is minus 5. Okay. Now the question number 7. P of x equals to cx plus d, where c is not equals to 0. Okay. C is not equals to 0. Again same thing. P of x equals to 0. Cx d equals to 0. So cx minus d, x equals to minus d upon c. Now put this one into the p of x. So the p minus d upon c. So minus d upon c. So c equals to d upon c minus plus d. So this one gets cancelled. Plus minus minus. I am getting 0. So minus d upon c is 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So in your homework, the rest of the questions which I left in exercise 2.2, you have to solve all the questions, the whole exercise in your homework.